Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bell ring. Snowing and blowing the bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
Here we bring Christmas with a difference. It's Christmas time, it's time to rejoice, but we want to share our joys and happiness with the community. Christmas, and it's time to have fun. We are so happy today and delighted to present this bespoke Christmas tree installation, which is totally sustainable, made out of bamboo and recycled paper, and made by local artisans, an old form of art and craft that has been neglected in our own country. It's very seasonal because these artisans who make it from the Titarpur village, they actually do it only at the time of the Shera for Ravnas, etc. So we worked with them, in collaboration with them, and we presented this installation. We also took this opportunity to express gratitude to all the non-profit organizations which work endlessly for one cause or the other, and in their own way do something for the society. And we wanted to express our gratitude and give an opportunity to our guests to collaborate with them on a personal or professional front, to associate with them, support them in whatever way they can.
In the frosty air, what a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick a good beat, jingle around the